We'll guide you through how to transfer photos from an iPhone to a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and store them on the computer, you can go and share them from there, and you can do different things with them on there. And perhaps after you've gone and done that, you then want to go and delete them off the iPhone to free up your storage. That's definitely an option. So to go and get started with this, we're going to go and be using the cable. So what you want to do is you want to go and grab it, as you can see. Just go and have your iPhone unlocked, as I have here, and you want to go and plug one end in. And then what you need to do is go and plug the other end into the laptop. Depending upon the laptop, you may need to go and get an adapter if there's no port on there, and depending upon the cable. If you need an adapter, we'll link some to Amazon below. Those are affiliate links which support the channel and no extra cost to you. I've now plugged it in and it's now going to start charging. It says, allow this device to access photos and videos. I've now had this here, so what you need to do is go and enter the device passcode to go and trust the computer, which I've now done, so we can go and access them. Now what you need to do is come onto the laptop, come to the bottom, and you need to go and click search, and you need to go and type in photos. Press enter and it will go and open up. You need to go and press import in the top right. Then you can go and select your iPhone, go and wait, and it's going to go and load the items. You can go and select them all at the top or just go through and select the ones you want to do this with. Then what you can do is go and press the import button in the top right. You can choose where. I'm just going to go and put them in my pictures here, and you can go and press import like so. I put them in my pictures so I can then open my file explorer, come to pictures on the left, and here they are.